Breaking the bank. Unraveling the meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning, usage, and origin of the phrase, to break the bank. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. The phrase, to break the bank, refers to spending all of one's money on something, or it can mean causing a significant financial loss to an institution, usually a gambling house. It's often used to describe a situation where a person spends more money than they can afford, or when a cost is unreasonably high. For example, if you buy an expensive car that uses up all your savings, you might say it broke the bank. Using idioms correctly can be tricky, but with a little practice, you can master them. Here are a few examples of how to use to break the bank in a sentence. 1. I want to buy a new laptop, but I don't want to break the bank. 2. Their wedding was gorgeous, but it must have broken the bank. 3. We're looking for a holiday destination that won't break the bank. Notice how the phrase can be used in different tenses and contexts to express the idea of spending a lot of money, sometimes more than one can afford. The phrase, to break the bank, originates from gambling, where it means winning more money than the bank, the money held by the gambling house, holds. If a player breaks the bank, the gambling house may have to stop the game because it no longer has money to pay the winners. Over time, this phrase has evolved to a more general usage, meaning to use up all available financial resources, whether in gambling or in everyday expenses. Understanding idiomatic expressions like, to break the bank, can add color and depth to your language skills. They not only make your conversations more natural, but they also offer insights into the culture and history of the language. We hope this video helped you grasp the essence of this popular phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll be breaking language barriers instead of banks. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.